G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I thought I'd make for lunch a delicious egg in a hole burger. What's an egg in a hole burger? Well, it's just a burger that you make a hole in, put an egg in and cook it up. It's no real reason to do it other than impressing someone so much you never know, it might get you lucky. Anyway, let me show you how I'm going to make it. Well, the ingredients I'm using are bacon, eggs and meat. Now the meat I use is always really high in fat. You want the high fat meat, not that like Heart Smart one, because that Heart Smart one isn't even smart, mate. It's got a pretty low IQ, that one. I've got some lettuce, tomato and cheese, a nice looking bread roll here, and some sauces of your choice. I'm using mayo and barbecue. I love barbecue sauce on my bacon and egg and beef and cheese burgers. It's just something I like. Anyway, let's start making it. Alright, so I've heated up a frying pan. Wonder if it's warm yet. Oh! Yeah! So we'll start by chucking the bacon in. Get that cooking. And while that's cooking, let's prepare this meat. I might just throw some baking paper down. So basically, we need to make a burger patty. So grab your meat in your hand. And position it nicely. Make it roundish. In fact, we want it to be donut roundish. And you'll want to make it so it's nicely compressed. And that's why I like the fatty meat, because the fat sort of holds the meat together. I'll add some salt and pepper to it. And I'll take it over to the frying pan now. Move out of the way, bacon. Oh boy, you're already cooked. Oh no, I shouldn't have added you in so early. Goodness me. Oh boy, okay, well I'll move you to the quiet side of the frying pan. Maybe pile you up a bit there. And now I've got my meat here, which I will just lay into the pan there. And now we just need to, cook this meat. And you might want to hold your hands like this and pray that it doesn't fall apart. Now, if it does sort of start falling apart, then, well, bad luck. But to stop that, before you actually mix it, you can actually mix an egg in with the meat first, and that'll help it hold together. Anyway, let's start preparing this bun. I've got quite a nice bun today. Well, that's what most people say when they see me. I will toast this bun a bit. Just get it a little bit crispier. Plus it's been frozen and, well, you know, frozen buns never taste as good as fresh buns, and if you slightly toast your bun, then it sort of makes it half fresh again. Now you're probably asking yourself, Greg, how are you going to flip this without it breaking? Well, that's a good question, because I got no idea. It'll just be sheer luck if I succeed. Or I could crack the egg in and that'll help it hold together. Alright, well let's see if we can flip this. Ta-da! Okay, so now once that's flipped, let me just make a bit more space here. And that'll give me space to toast my buns a little. And don't worry about the messiness of that. You're never going to see it, especially when I hide it with some cheese. Alright, how are these buns doing? Oh, beautiful. Okay, well I'm going to start throwing this together. I might actually turn the heat off in this frying pan. And I'll start with the bottom bun. I'll add some mayo to that one. Onto which I'll add the lettuce. Now, did you know that people put lettuce on the bottom to stop the juice from the meat from going through onto the bread and making it soggy? Yeah, well that's why they do it. And now this meat should be cooked. Well, I certainly hope it is. And this bacon is well and truly cooked. So whack that on too. Position it nicer, so maybe it sort of hangs out a little bit, so it impresses people. because they think there's like heaps of bacon on there when really there was only just one piece. And now I'll add just some bits of tomato. And then my barbecue sauce, which is really hard to open because I haven't used this one for ages. Even though there's hardly any left. There should be enough though. Put the bun on top. And there you have it. The egg in a whole burger. Anyway, how about we cut it in half to see what it looks like on the inside. Can you even tell that it's got an egg in the middle? Probably not. But hey, it's the thought that counts, right? Anyway, you can see the egg, but only when you cut it in half. Anyway, let's have a go. Yummo. Anyway, there you go. There's the egg in a hole burger. Could be something interesting you can try and make to help boost those cooking skills and try and impress some people. And honestly, what burger doesn't taste great with bacon, eggs, beef and cheese on it? Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time I cook a burger. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the